Hello dear listeners, today we will show you how you can download Eclipse IDE and run your first Java programming in Eclipse. So firstly we will install an IDE, so we will install Eclipse. So for that go to Google and search Eclipse download. Then you will get Eclipse website, so go to Eclipse website and download Eclipse for your PC version, or is it for Mac, Windows or Linux, whatever you are using. So just download Eclipse IDE. So I'm not downloading as I have already did it. So now go to Eclipse, select your folder, and now here you can see create a Java project, create a project, import project. So if you want to create a new Java project, click here, or if you want to import your existing project, just click here. So as it is my first video lessons, today I will show you how you can print something on Java. So go to file, select new and Java project. Now give a name for your project. So I'm giving my project name as first project. Not fast project, I'm writing first Java. So I write first Java. So remember one thing, that whenever you give your project name, always start with capital letter. So just finish it. Here you can see and project created called first Java. Now your first task is to create a package, or you can use default package. In every Java programming you have to make a project under a package. So in this package you will create some class. So I'm clicking on first Java, right click, new, and I'm creating a new package under this project. So here you can see source folder is first Java and source is your default package. So if you give another, you want to create another package, just name here. So I am giving a name Relax. So just that is my package name. So here in source you can see a package called Relax has been created. Now I will do everything in Relax package. So go to Relax package and right click on it, create new and create a class. So I have created a class. So I'm giving this class name is Hello World. Yes, this is our first project and I am gonna print Hello World. So in the below you can see which methods would you like to create. So here click on first one, public static void main string args. So it means args means argument. So that is our main method. In main method we will write every single code. So just finish it. So here you can see a class called Hello World has been created. If you want to create more class under Relax package, so write on Relax again, go to new and create more classes. So however you can create many more things like test case, Java project, package, and many more. So that is our first Java project. So in our first lessons we will just print Hello World. So go to class Hello World. Here you can see main method has already been created as we clicked there. If you don't click there, you have to write it manually. Every single time you want to create a class, you have to write main method. Alright, so in main method we will write our code. So in that is our first video. So we will just print something, not like C programming. We don't printf in C programming. In Java we will write some similar to it, but not the exact one. We will write system dot out dot println first bracket and give a quotation, and whatever you want to write, any text, just print it before the quotation, write it before the quotation. So I'm writing Hello World, so and finish with a semicolon. So I just close the parenthesis. So system.out.println Hello World, and I've just finished writing. So we will use system.out.println to print something. And if you want to display any text, give a quotation and write the text between them. And remember one thing, this system's S will be capital, remember that. So let's just run it. So whenever I'm running, look, hello world has been printed. So that's easy, right guys? From next video lessons, I will show you the exact Java programming, how it works. And every single time we will code, we will do it with refreshment and enjoyment. After that, we will go to Android project. So guys, stay connected with us. We will do every single code and we will know basic of Java. Then we will go to upgrade Android projects and many more. Stay connected. Goodbye.